Welcome my friends and welcome to Gaming Fin and welcome to a new video. So I think I was not uploading now for over 1 month and people probably thought like, so did Mr. Orange stop this channel? No, I didn't stop this channel, but actually I was so busy with other investment stuff. So obviously I was doing a lot of with my other investment portfolios. But as you know, I was regularly uploading or writing on X, also writing on X on some news with regard to gaming companies. So it's not that I didn't do anything. So therefore follow me on X if you're interested in my analysis of the gaming industry and the financial markets and the link between it. So obviously I was also playing a lot of games, a bit Call of Duty and especially Kingdom Come Deliverance with a VR mod. So the moment you play this game with a VR mod, and I love it so much, then yeah, it's like you're in another world. So then you forget actually to upload videos, my friends. So sorry for this. All right, so where do we stand with my gaming industry portfolio? Was I buying something? Yeah, I think I bought something in between. So, but let's go a little bit through it. So the overall value is now $115,858. So we are overall now in the plus. So you see, it all made sense. We are in the plus 4,300, and then today was also not the best day. So in between, guys, so since my latest video or my last video I was uploading, there was a lot going on. We had CD Projekt numbers, we had Ubisoft numbers, we had Embracer numbers, Take-Two numbers. So I'm not going in the details, but we can quickly go through a little bit how those stocks have, how they developed with regard to my portfolio. So Microsoft did very well. I'm now at 181 or 2%. So obviously Microsoft is carrying my whole gaming industry stock portfolio, as you can see. So makes obviously also sense that it's like this. And then, my friends, the next one is CD Projekt. Also performed okayish, but since actually quite some days they're falling back again. But we're standing here with 66,000 zlotys. We are standing here at 27%. Ubisoft, 960 now, 960, and my average price is 1586, and I have 1,115 shares, and you know all the story. So the earnings came out and it got hammered. It was doing so well, and we all thought like we might go back actually with Ubisoft to the 15 euro range. So didn't happen. We were falling badly to the downside. So Ubisoft obviously needs some more time. What I'm holding, my plan B was simply holding it. I mean at one point when the plan A is not working out, and then you already need to have a plan B because you need to know when it's not working out. Are you okay to hold the stock also for a longer time? So in this case, I'm holding the stock now for a longer time. I'm not happy. My plan A was that this company gets acquired and not create some subsidiary. So obviously I'm not happy with this, but selling it now, it just does not feel right, because actually at this price I would even buy Ubisoft. I would buy Ubisoft, not you. So this is no financial advice, guys. So you do whatever you want. You don't do what I do in those videos. So oh my god, I have to repeat this all the time. Yes. So therefore, it's you would say, if you buy a stock, if you would willing to buy a stock at a certain price, and just hold it even if you're in the minus, because then it doesn't make sense that you sell now. So long term, I think, or I still believe that it's possible to go back to 20 euros, 30 euros. So, but it's a bit more long term. So I know this stock is hated by so many. Yeah, Take-Two, GTA 6, my friends, it's incredible. It's incredible. I mean, have you seen the trailer? So successful. Stock now 40% up. I remember when this stock was like under 160, I should have loaded up more. But just by knowing that American technology and software stocks are just going up. Yeah. The CEO of Take-Two, what did he say? He's not a gamer. So he's not giving gaming advice to the developer of GTA 6. So, well, it's okay. I think it's okay. I mean, you don't need to be a gamer. you can have a successful company for not being a gamer. So, and then the next, CI Games, now 16,000 shares. It's great. CI Games, from all those investments I made, I'm actually very proud about my CI Games investment, because here, I was buying, I was averaging down even more, and I'm now at 34% up, 2,347 in the plus. So, obviously, with the $8,000 in the minus of Ubisoft, it hurts a little bit. So, but it hurts a little bit less though. Let's put it like this. Square Enix also still up 48%. Good to see. Pull Up Entertainment after Warhammer Space Marine came out. Space Marine 2 came out. So we were falling back into some sort of, the French hole. I call it the French hole. It's like the same with Ubisoft and also with the other French gaming companies. So Pull Up Entertainment at this point also do nothing there. Just holding it. So long term, I think Pull Up Entertainment has still some chances to come back. Nexon is also the plus. Here I average always a little bit down, so you see it now. It's a position with $3,200 or $300, 2.84% of my gaming portfolio. Then we had Digital Pros. They had a very nice run up. Then the earnings came out, and then they got hammered also again. So I'm still in the plus, so good to see. That's one of those companies, if they are going to fall under my average price, so I could consider buying some more. So I'm not telling you exactly where I buy, because if I tell you now where exactly I buy, then you're going to do the same. And then if it ends up like Ubisoft, you're going to say, yeah, Mr. Orange, you said this and that. So no, I'm not going to do this. Frontier Development, 6% up. So I'm happy to see that Frontier Development, they actually at one point I think they were 100% up for me. So, but now they're coming back a little bit. So yeah, it's when a stock goes up 100%, then most probably if it's a volatile stock, if it's a small company and the overall gaming, the overall sector is not performing so well, maybe sometimes it's a point where you can sell. So for example, I'm not selling my Microsoft. I will never sell my Microsoft because I have them now since so long time. I mean, you see my average price is $159 and the price at the moment is $450. So finally, I could buy Namco stock. Here was already at 90% and up. Now I'm 67% up right now. So Namco, I had problems with investing with the app. So putting Japanese stocks would completely destroy the balance of the portfolio. Therefore, I did not have it there. But I'm holding Bandai Namco since long time already. So 11-bit Studios. So I think we have to watch 11-bit very careful now. Very careful. Next earnings report, have to check when it's going to be. Next announcements, so we have to check it, watch it there. Very careful. It has been bombed out and we're coming slowly back. So I think there is a chance that we, with 11-bit, that we can go higher than what we see right now. Also Tencent, so Chinese stocks. I mean, Tencent Chinese stock, I mean, they invest in all the other gaming companies. So Tencent also coming slowly back. Good to see. Everplay is the new name of Team 17, the guys that invented Worms and Earthworm Jim and all those games. So Everplay now also 22% up. Good to see this. Paradox, yeah. For a Swedish gaming company, I'm happy to see that it's up. Yeah, Asmodee, I kept it, and I think it was a smart decision to keep Asmodee and not selling immediately after the split. So I think in long term Asmodee has good chances to go up a little bit higher. Corsair overall depends so much of the overall technology sector in the of the Nasdaq, so nothing special here at this point. So obviously bad investment. I bought it too expensive and they were falling too low. Embracer Group makes me angry. Embracer Group makes me angry, guys. I mean, look at this, where we stand now. 37% down at 106. At 106 Swedish krona. So, Embracer Group. Why? It's impossible. Why did this happen? So, well, you can check out the earnings report just came out. Unity, Playtika. Unfortunately, Playtika also was an investment that yeah, in the short term, medium term does not work out. So they have some issues. So a lot of people also wrote under my video about it. So guys, you're obviously smarter than I am. So I'm not that smart. So I'm just a YouTuber, retail investor. So keep this in mind when you watch my video. So down 43%. At one point, I'm going to go dive a bit deeper again into Playtika to see if there's a chance that we can get out of this valley. Electronic Arts 40% up, good to see. Those are those are Electronic Arts, Capcom 72%. Capcom, I should have bought more, obviously. Electronic Arts, it's one of those companies where I say, if they go under my average price, then I want to buy some more. Playway also up 12%, that's what I already. Here I had an order, it was not executed, and after my order was there, obviously the stock started to run up again a little bit. Remedy Entertainment, so they also had earnings, the Finnish gaming company, minus 7.47%, so that's okay. Nintendo almost 60% up. Then Bigben and Nacon, two other French companies, were total failure to invest in Bigben Interactive. I think they screwed me here, and with Nacon they screwed me too, so I definitely was running here into the open knife. So I'm not happy with those two companies, and the CEO of Nacon and Bigben Interactive, they seem to not be very much interested to change something here. So then Ultimate Games, bought it, obviously too expensive, but the company keeps up. They're sending me free keys all the time, free gaming keys as a YouTuber, so I like this. Probably that's what they do, since I'm down 173 euros, so I get some free keys. Yeah, and then I guess we don't need to talk about these other Swedish companies. Big failure to invest in them, and DontNod Entertainment. Unfortunately, my position is just too small to sell them. I think I should have sold them at one point, but now 86% down later. So then they are probably, I'm just there. Yeah, my position is just too small to sell them. So, all right, guys. So have a quick look also here on some charts. As always, don't want to make this video too long. And I know you miss me and probably you want to see more videos again. So write down in the commentary section, my friends, if you want to see more videos. So actually, I want to do more videos again, but life is going on, and so much is going on, and obviously sometimes you have to see where you can find the time. But I love this channel, I love the topic, and I want to continue with this. All right, guys, so what do we have here? Yeah, CD Projekt. So as I said, so we were actually going up to 260 zloty. Wow. But it was for sure that we're not staying. I couldn't think about that. We here just go through like butter through this Fibonacci retracements. Obviously going back down a little bit to the average line here, and it's okay. It's okay. So just even if we go back to 175, I'm totally fine with it, because I know long-term CD Projekt is one of the most important and best gaming companies out there. Yeah, Ubisoft. But I mean, it makes sense to look at this chart every day to just remind myself that it simply didn't work out here. It didn't work out here. So we here 15. So at one point we were there. Probably I should have sold them. I didn't. So now we're around about those 10 euros. So I guess let's make let's put it like this. So I mean, as long as we can keep up over the 870 euros, I think there's a chance to come back. But at the moment, everything looks still bad, and the company still has massive problems, and the haters gonna hate, and probably it's just how it is. So then we have Embracer, everything completely. What happened here, guys? What happened here, guys? All right. I haven't looked at this chart since a long time, so obviously it looks a little bit weird. So yeah, well, just going to see. Yeah, this was the split here. This was the split. So if we stay at those 100 krona, all right. So, but I'm angry with this company. Yeah, Snail. Yeah, you remember when I bought Snail and then sold it like for almost 100%. So we're back at the 93 euro cents. So maybe here I could start thinking about having a small position again. For this, I should check some numbers. Obviously, March 25, net income negative. Not good. But this is a penny stock, and this is a meme stock in this sense, because otherwise it wouldn't go up like 257%. So maybe the stock stays here, maybe it comes back a little bit, maybe it just goes bankrupt. Everything is possible, like Playtika. So I was always buying here a little bit more. So now I really have to ask myself the question, do we have the turnaround here, as I told you just before? Because they still have a positive net income, but the numbers overall are not that's good. So Nacon, yeah, not worth to talk about. Remedy looks good. On the 6 months looks good. Look, 46% from April to May 2025. So this was the run-up. So now the question is, can we hold our position here? This was the moment to buy more in January. In November 24 to April 25. This was the moment, my friends, to buy more, but no one was buying more. So you see, that's how it always goes. So, and this is a very long, calm straight here. So, and no one was buying. So it could have gone up. So probably it will fall a little bit, and then we're going to retest. Everything's possible. Paradox long-term chart looks okay. This was the moment to buy. 129. We go up to 200. We fall to 166. Back to 193. There's a possibility that we're averaging here. So here now we average. So obviously, if we fall more, it could be interesting from a mere trading point of view to buy some more. Square Enix, looks good. Guys, look at this chart. It looked so terrible, actually, from 21 to 24. No one wanted to buy it. And then at one point, you just double the money. So what was the reason? I think I have to check what really the reason was. So if you write it down below in the commentary section. Capcom is the most beautiful gaming chart ever. So, I mean, everyone knows Capcom. And everyone missed it. Everyone loves Capcom, but we all missed the stock. So Nexon coming back a little bit. Here I always bought a little bit more. As you know, I had my orders around here. So now we are back 26% from there. Frontier, just talked about this. Looks terrible, but there is potential. DontNod, I just can't at this point. Starward Industries, it's like staying flat here. So it's like staying flat. So the new game, they already changed the name. So I'm not invested in Starward Industries anymore, but they changed the name of the new game already. So Dante's Fire or Dante's whatever, Peak. And yeah, I'm done with this company. So I don't think to see anything useful from them. I did not even play the Invincible. Was it the name? Yeah, I didn't even play this game yet, so I was not interested. Digital Browse, look at this, my friend. So bam, 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 bam. Okay, on the 5-year chart it looks not so nasty, but hey guys, I mean, overall looks like a little turnaround. I mean, it depends also on European markets. Bloober doing fine. Bloober is doing what Bloober is doing, so probably at 27 turnaround again. Probably, not necessarily. Potentially. Playway, I like Playway. Look, that looks good from the chart. Looks good. So there's a possibility actually we go up a bit more. Yeah, I think I'm going to look a bit more into Playway. So because they might not raise their the gaming prices to $80 or 80 euros, because I mean, also Onimusha by Capcom Onimusha 2 just came out on Steam, and the price is like 30 euros, I think, and with Onimusha 1 the bundle is like 40 euros. I mean, guys, this is just incredible. I mean, who can pay this, my friends? So this is so expensive. And here you have a dividend yield, you get some slotties, and the Polish economy is growing. So it's actually interesting. For Polish investment, that's very interesting. Looks dead. Bandai Namco also here. shooting up like a rocket. Electronic Arts here, I bought some, therefore I'm up. Because obviously Electronic Arts would go up again. CI Games, also Polish gaming company, and I talk a lot about this, so therefore I'm not going too much now again into details. I don't want to annoy you, but they do a lot of things right, and the gamers like it. They have a gamer-centric approach, and Marek, the CEO, is doing definitely a lot of things right. So this was terrible, guys. This was terrible. 80%, but hey, it's a small volatile stock. I mean, it's 414 million Polish zlotys. So obviously this is incredible volatile stock, and I talked about the stock. So therefore I cannot always upload videos about the same stocks, because of all the stocks I own, I mostly already made videos, and I don't want to bore you with too many videos. Well, 15 euro cents for Terry. How is this possible? I mean, this is 50%, guys. Incredible, like it. Digital Bros I talked already about. Take-Two. This is how the stock chart looks. GTA 6 and probably GTA 5. When did GTA 5 come out? In 2016, 15? Wow, 680%. So with GTA 6, I mean, the expectations, my friends, are so incredible high. So I don't know if they managed to make this the best game ever, because the expectation is just so high. So how is this even possible? Yeah, we will see. So might be. I mean, who would sell now before GTA 6 comes out? Who would sell now? Doesn't make any sense. Oh yeah. Ubi. Yeah, well, 1.25 billion euros. Nintendo looks fine. Also UBC. I looked a lot into Ubi. Firebreak. Ubisoft earnings here. Well, not going. If you want to have a detailed video about Ubisoft or the latest earnings, so I can get a little bit into it. I started doing a video, but then I decided I was just so busy on also the Remedy earnings. So I still follow everything. But sometimes it's a bit more difficult, my friends, to make a new video. So no, it's actually not difficult. I should make it more often. All right, 23 minutes. So that's for you, my friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to continue this channel, I need your likes. I need you to share this video. I need you to watch the whole video. I need you to also give me some love in the commentary section. It's important. So that this is holding up my motivation. It's a niche channel. Not a lot of people are going to look gaming industry stocks. Not a lot of people are interested in this subject. So I know, but therefore I need the people that are really interested in it. And therefore I need you, my friends. So, all right, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.